What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update, man. We got a bunch of cars on the list today. They didn't have an auction last week, so they got double the cars this week. So we'll go over the ones that's looking, like something we'll buy because it's just so many. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. A lot of the states are back on lockdown, man. So if you do need a mask, man, go ahead and head to everythingsregular.com to go get you one right now, man. And if you got a fly rod and car wash, man, you need some air fresheners, go to Everything's Regular and go get one of them too, man. Without further ado, man, let's get right into it now, shall we? Got a little pickup truck. This is the main thing I came to check out, so I guess we can check that out first now, shall we? Alrighty, guys. First up, looks like we got an 08 Chevy Silverado here. First glance, it does have some tequila kickage up here, so you're gonna need a headlight. You may be able to fix this fender. If not, you're gonna need a fender bumper. The bumper should be all right. It's a work truck. It's gonna be a tow truck, 236,000 miles. On a Copart, we're seeing these things go for anywhere between like $2,000 and and up. But I don't know what's up with this one. It had like a bunch of looks like concrete dust or washing powder or something in here. But it's definitely gonna need a full-on interior detail and clean ASAP. But it's got the long bed. Got the long bed in the back. Got a little bit of damage back here. A little bit of damage right there. Like I say, guys, this is a work truck, so anything other than that, I wouldn't get it for. But definitely a nice work truck. I don't mind the 08 Silverado at all. It does seem like a pretty decent truck overall. You do have some rust and some dings in the bed, but like I said, it'll be easy to pull that motorcycle up here and use the straps right there to strap that joint down, and we should be good. So I don't know, we'll check it out. I don't know if it runs or not, but if it does, we may have some action on it. What y'all think about it though, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 06 Toyota Prius here, unknown mileage. Priuses are pretty cool. Body is in pretty decent shape. The hood is staring us right in the face, so we can pop this up and check it out really quick. Doesn't look like anything is out of the ordinary, but the mileage is unknown, so they was probably driving this thing all over the world. But if we take a quick look at the inside, man, we got leather interior. This handle is pretty dirty, so I wasn't gonna open that. But we do have some leather interior with a pretty decent interface up there. Everything's intact, no ripped seats or anything like that. So that's a plus. Nice leather interior, 06 Prius, unknown mileage. I don't know if it runs or not, but we'll see here at the auction today. What do you guys think about the Prius, man? This will be a good gas saver. Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a little bit of American muscle here, man. We got a 06 Mustang Gt here, 121,000 miles. It says it has issues with the clutch pedal, so it is 6-speed, but if you can get that clutch figured out, you'd be in a game. You can go turn this thing into like a little drift machine or something. Can we get this thing open though is the question. Take a look under the hood. I mean, it is the GT. Got the cold air intake. V8, of course. Cool little Mustang. No body damage from what I'm seeing so far. You can take a quick look at the inside. Leather interior. Few rips, but nothing too crazy at all. Interior actually looks pretty fair. Yeah, and it has stick shift. That actually looks like an automatic shifter, but it is a stick shift. So pretty nice body on this GT. I like how the hips on these things flare out a little bit. But I don't know. If it drives and runs good and you can get it for cheap, this may be something to put your money into. What do you guys think about the Mustang though, man? Let me know in the comments below. And I know usually I would be I'm not getting Mustangs, but this is probably the only one I would get, a GT version at least. But let me know what you guys think. We got a 2000 Lincoln LS. This is a V8, 137,000 miles. We're not interested in it. I mean, the interior is clean. It looks good in here. Mileage is fairly low at 137,000 miles, but not really sure on the reliability, and I don't want to be the one to test it out, especially not right now at least. But we'll just keep moving on and showing you what they got up here, man. We got an 04 Impala here, 173,000 miles. Pretty nice little setup. I believe this is the top of the line Impala of this year, as it has the sunroof and it has like the little body kit all around it. 173,000 miles. And take a quick look at this car. Interior is super whooped and just beat. So not interested, but seems like it would be a pretty cool Impala to have. But it is what it is, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We don't want the 02 Honda Accord with some damage in the back. We'll just give it a quick walk around. It does have some damage, 157,000 miles. Tape all over the sunroof. You guys can see from that point, it's all whooped. Back window is broken. Got a bunch of stuff in the trunk. Damage on this side. So this is definitely not gonna be something we're bidding on today. However, we do got a little Corolla over here, 2003 Corolla, 130,000 miles. It could just use some hubcaps. No body damage on it. Headlights can be restored. Yeah, you're gonna need a whole new set of hubcaps. It's a 03, 130,000 miles. Seems like a pretty legit ride. You take a look. Ooh, it stinks in there. Look, it smells like somebody died in that joint. Yeah, I'm good on that. It smells like death. But yeah, if you want a cheap Corolla, man, this thing is the one for you. This thing stinks though. Alrighty, we got a 2013 Volkswagen Cc here. 68,000 miles. Really good looking car if you ask me. No body damage. Everything looks to be intact. Could use a really good detail and have this thing shined up. This window, I don't know if it was just down the whole time it was here, but it's got the whole interior just dirty. Nice leather interior though. No rips, tears, or anything like that. So this may be a pretty decent buy here, judging if you can get it cheap enough, which again, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go for like 35 to 4 grand, maybe even more than that considering the mileage. But all in all, it is a really good looking car, and I wouldn't mind having it. What you guys think though, man? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna want the Corolla, the 01 Corolla, 236,000 miles. Actually good on that. Good on the Toyota. Don't want the Integra, 4-door Integra. This Honda was here from like 2 weeks ago. Still don't want the Acura. They got a nice little Beetle here. Haven't seen one of these here before. Pretty decent Bug. What is the 1974 Bug? Stick shift. Could use some restoration, but all in all, not that bad for the year. $74. But yeah, man, you got the trunk in the front on this one, I believe. Yeah, you definitely got the trunk in the front. So that's a cool little feature. What y'all think though, man? Let me know in the comments below. Don't want the Mazda. I believe it's like a Mazda 3 with bad heads. The heads on this thing is bad, so we don't want that. Neither do we want the Toyota. We got a 2000 BMW 5 Series, 107,000 miles. It is wrecked in the back. These wheels on it are nice, but the whole axle looks to be bent. That sucks. Let me take a quick look at the inside. Oh, it's the M5. Let's see. Yeah, this gotta be like the old M5. Take a look at the inside. It's got the dining floorboards. It is a stick shift, so it is the M, from what I understand. Pretty decent ride if you can get this thing tidied back up. And you got the little e-brake right there, so who knows, they might even been drifting this joint at a point in time. But the wheels do look cool. Got the nice little wing on here. Get this thing tidied up and wrapped a nice, like, bright color. I wouldn't mind driving this and freaking dogging it. Pretty low miles too. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, guys, we got a bunch of clunkers here, a bunch of junk cars. Bad clutch on this one. This one's wrecked. And we don't want the Saturn. With 136,000 miles. I literally only came up here to check out the truck, to be honest with you. This Equinox has a bad motor. I don't want the Lexus, 93 Lexus, man. Been there, done that. And we don't want to do it again. But all these trucks back here got bad motors and whatnot, so it is what it is, man. Then we got a 2011 Avenger. This thing has bad heads as well, so no use of working with that. But we got a 01 Silverado here. I didn't even check this one out before when we seen that one. I didn't even see this one over here. It is lifted up in the front. It looks like, well, the back has flat tires, so that would be the reason why. 295,000 miles. It does have the where is it? The 5.3 motor, I'm sure. But it is here, LS motor with the K in there and cold air intake. Got some damage on this fender right here, no big deal. 259,000 miles. Take a quick peek at the inside. It is pretty decent, nice leather interior, pretty fair interior. Actually, it's really good. This thing has some potential. I honestly wouldn't mind bidding on this thing. We can get some new wheels for it. You already got the tow hitch ready, so it's a towing workhorse ready to go. We'll see what we can do. Get some nice wheels on it, man. Get it maybe even get the color brought back to life with this navy blue, so that will look cool. But all in all, I think it's a pretty fair truck. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. Then we have a couple trailers, motorhomes that's gonna sell. I don't even think they run, but literally every car over here does not run at all. They're either wrecked, burned down, or like that one has bad heads. So it is what it is, man. It's a junkyard sale today. Let me know what y'all think. Think this might even be a swap land Camaro right here, but I think he had a drop. Not sure. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're wondering what any of these cars are gonna sell for, be sure to tune in tomorrow, man, as that video will be out first thing in the AM. I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Let me know what was your favorite ride today. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.